Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is how to fix the Beetel M71 ring once and not ringing issue. So let's resolve this problem. So at first let's test the Beetel M71. If it try to dial the number, so it's ring once only. So and then stop ringing. So this is the main problem of M71 Beetel. Then in order to fix this problem, then let's double check if this line has extension. So using another phone extension line, let's double check. Let's go. So the solution of this problem rather, so remove the, if there is one extension line, remove the other telephone line extension, and then so the extension has been removed, and then let's test the Beetel M71 without extension. So it's ringing now, continuous ringing. Previously it's only ring once, but now it's continuous ringing. So the main problem is the extension. So it should be one line and one telephone only. That's it. Thank you for watching.